The sun is just rising over the coastline, turning the water gold and scattering long shadows across the sand. I wade into the tide pools, feeling cool water rush around my feet. But I'm not alone today, not by a long shot. Today I have a fascinating companion, an octopus. Now, meeting an octopus isn't like meeting a dog or a cat. There's no wagging tail, no eager yelp, but there is a flash of curiosity in those keen, intelligent eyes. As I settle down on a flat rock, our octopus emerges from beneath its makeshift den, an empty clamshell and a cluster of seaweed. 8 arms coil and uncoil, each moving with its own mind, tasting the currents, exploring every nook. The plan? To see if we can spend an entire day together at the beach, to see the world for once through the eyes, or perhaps the arms, of a true escape artist and problem-solving master. The first thing you notice, the octopus scans everything. It's not just wandering with no aim, it's intelligent, remarkably so. It pauses, its skin rippling with blue and orange hues as it samples the water, sizing up me, the rocks, and anything that might be a threat or a snack. Immediately it gets down to business. The hunt is on. Over at the edge of the tide pool under a ledge I spot a small crab. The octopus has already clocked it. Watch this. There's no reckless lunge. There's calculation. It creeps forward, flattening its body, then suddenly it stretches 2 arms around the back of the rock. The crab freezes, and before it can scuttle away, those dexterous arms mold themselves into the tiniest cracks. The crab, now aware of the danger, darts out the front, straight into the waiting arms of the octopus. One quick squeeze, a flash of camouflage, and lunch is served. It's not just hunting skill. Octopuses have a brain-to-body ratio rivaling some mammals. 3/5 of those nerve cells? They aren't in the head at all. They're distributed throughout the arms. Essentially, each arm can operate semi-independently, solving mini-puzzles, exploring objects, tasting the world, while the octopus's central brain processes the bigger picture. This isn't just a party trick. Intelligence here is survival. Out in the open, there's danger everywhere. Gulls overhead, prowling fish in deeper pools, even stray humans with nets. So what does our octopus do? It finds a broken bottle and instantly slips inside, arms wrapping around the edges. When danger's past, it returns to the hunt, blending into the sand with a texture like pebbles, perfect camouflage. Let's talk camouflage. I watch, amazed, as it matches its skin to a patch of bright green algae. In the blink of an eye, spots shimmer into zigzags, then flatten into smooth beige as it slips over a pile of shells. This isn't just for looks. This makes it practically invisible to both prey and predators. The sand shifts, and suddenly the octopus is mottled tan and gray. His big, clever eyes can see shadows and movement, even when the sun is bright or the water is dim. And guess what? If a bird gets too close, Octopus has a secret superpower. He can camouflage. That means he changes his color and even his texture to look just like rocks, sand, or coral. Pretty cool, right? That way hungry birds can't spot him. Ollie becomes invisible. By midday, the tide's up, bringing a rush of nutrients and a new challenge. A wave roars over the pool. The water churns and visibility drops to almost nothing. Here's where octopus intelligence shows itself best. Instead of panicking, it anchors with 2 arms and rides out the surge. Searching with the others, it quickly finds a wedge between 2 rocks and slides inside, safe from the soup of debris. Eventually, the water clears. Our octopus is right back at it, moving toward a patch of mussels. Here comes the real test, cracking open a shellfish. I watch as the octopus switches tactics, using a rock, hammering the shell, then patiently prying it open. Not many sea creatures can use tools, but our 8-armed friend is certainly one of them. In fact, some octopuses will collect coconut shells or stones to build shelters, another testament to their extraordinary intelligence. As afternoon fades, I'm given a rare reward. The octopus brushes close, arm curling briefly around my ankle, almost as if to say, "Thanks for following my day." This brush with the mind of an octopus, its adaptability, its resourcefulness, its quiet confidence, has been worth every second. Spending a day at the beach with an octopus is more than just fun in the sun. It's a crash course in creativity, adaptability, and survival. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and join us for even more deep dives into the wonders of the underwater world. Until next time, keep your eyes open and your mind curious.